Hi everyone, today's headlines. Places of mass gathering including religious places to remain closed in Mon. Tuensang police seizes drugs worth rupees 2 lakhs and over 70,000 cash. Nagaland reports 309 COVID-19 positive cases on May 7 and 112 recovered. Kohima police seizes IMFL from government vehicle and 2 held. Indian Army rescues accident victim in Mayo. IAF airlifts compressors for activation of oxygen plant in Nagaland. Noklak Police Anti-Drug Squad arrested 2 accused. Why a giant piece of Chinese rocket is said to hit Earth and what could happen when it does. News in details. Places of mass gathering including religious places to remain closed in Mon. The Deputy Commissioner of Mon, Tavasilan K. IAS on May 6, 2021 issued an addendum order closing all places of mass gathering including places of religious worship with immediate effect. The DC ordered this in continuation to Office Order dated May 3, 2021 and in reference to Nagaland State Disaster Management Authority Home Department Nagaland Addendum dated May 4, 2021. Further, the order said that only solemnization of weddings with prior permission from the Deputy Commissioner and limited attendance up to 50% is allowed. The addendum is issued for strict compliance for all concerned and anyone violating this order will face strict legal action in accordance with relevant laws, the DC added. Tuensang police seizes drugs worth rupees 2 lakhs and over 70,000 cash. Under the guidance of SP Tuensang, a joint team of Longking Police Station, Women Police Station, Crime Branch headed by SDPO Tuensang conducted raid in Longkim and recovered drugs, that is brown sugar, worth around 2 lakhs and seizes cash around rupees 70,190. Accordingly, 5 persons have been arrested including a woman. 3 cases have been registered, 2 cases in Longkim Police Station and 1 in Women Police Station, informed the Tuensang Police in an update. Nagaland reports 309 COVID-19 positive cases on May 7 and 112 recovered. Nagaland reported 309 COVID-19 positive cases on Friday, May 7, 2021 in Nagaland. The state total tally rose to 15,580, updated the Health Minister S. Pangifom. Out of 309 new COVID-19 positive cases reported, 200 cases were detected in Dimapur, 63 in Kohima, 32 in Mon, 9 in Mongkuchung, 3 in Phek, 2 in Zunheboto. Active cases stands at 2,433. Also, the state recorded 112 recoveries of COVID-19 patients, taking the total recovery tally in the state to 12,540, updated the Health Minister S. Pangifom. Kohima police seizes IMFL from government vehicle. 2 held. The Highway Patrol Party of Kohima Police intercepted 1 black Scorpio bearing registration number NL107922 and seized 27 cases of assorted illegal IMFL at Peducha on Friday, May 7, 2021 at around 11 am. Further, the driver of the vehicle and the occupant, namely Vijay Prasad, 27 years, and Abeto Aye, 36 years, were arrested and taken into custody along with the government-registered vehicle, Kohima Police informed. Indian Army rescues accident victim in Miao. A team of Indian Army rescued more than 10 victims from an accident site near Mepang at Namdapad National Park, Miao, Arunachal Pradesh. The PRO Defense Kohima informed that soldiers of RED Shield Division of the Spear Corps were out on a routine duty when they came across a vehicle which was toppled and people were shouting. The toppled vehicle, possibly due to overspeeding, was carrying laborers working for government key project of MV Road. Fortunately, it was within few minutes of accident that the soldier in army vehicle spotted the toppled vehicle. The soldiers identified critical victim of the accident and as a first responder took them immediately to Miao Public Health Center without any delay, the PRO said. IAF airlifts compressors for activation of oxygen plants in Nagaland. The Indian Air Force carried out a special cross-country flight from Ahmedabad via Allahabad with the leftover compressors and equipment for activation of the much-needed oxygen plant for Nagaland state. The major consignment was initially airlifted by Chandigarh-based IL-76 aircraft from Delhi last week. The consignment weighing approximately 3 tons was handed over to EAC Chumukuruma, ER Sei Solo, coordinating officer in Dimapur Airport at 14 hours on May 6, 2021, which would further proceed to their designated destination at Dimapur and Mokokchung by road. Noklak Police Anti-Drug Squad arrested 2 accused. Anti-Drug Squad of Noklak Police arrested 2 alleged accused in the early morning hours of May 7, 2021 and seized the following item: 1 Pulsar bike, 1040 tablets of Jebgril Spas, 950 Spasmoproxivon capsule, 2690 Spas Care and 750 tablets of 5 mg Aprazolam. The Superintendent of Police Noklak, Dr. Pritpal Kaur, informed that all the seized items along with the arrested alleged accused were forwarded to court of JMFC Tuensang after all legal formalities. Later, while the investigation was going on, one more person who was an accomplice was also arrested. Hence, he was also forwarded to the Tuensang court along with the earlier 2 accused. Why a giant piece of Chinese rocket is said to hit Earth and what could happen when it does? A large portion of Chinese rocket is said to make an uncontrolled and unpredictable re-entry into the Earth atmosphere this weekend and is likely to land in one of the oceans that covers 70% of the planet. The piece of debris is the core booster stage of the Long March 5B rocket that launched the Tianhe core module, the first module of the new Chinese space station Tiangong 3 on 29 April. The stage is 30 meters, that is 100 feet long, and weighs over 20,000 kg, making it among the largest and heaviest pieces of space debris to fall back to Earth. The China National Space Administration is yet to release any data about how controlled the re-entry is or what its trajectory is. According to the state-run newspaper Global Times, the thin-skinned aluminum alloy exterior is expected to burn up in the atmosphere, but experts say many pieces of debris will survive the fall. That's all for now. To get us latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.